Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video I'm going to show you some updates to the way that local connection magic sessions work. The controls within Eclipse are the same. However, there are a few background notes to be aware of. First, if you want to do local sessions, you'll need to install Connection Magic. Second, if you want to use Connectify to host your Wi-Fi sessions, you'll need to also install Connectify. However, we've helpfully bundled both of these installers within the Eclipse 11 updated installer for you. As long as you have version 11.0.3.2, then you'll already have these installers available. To access the installers for Connection Magic and Connectify, open Windows File Explorer, browse to this PC, and then to your C drive, Program Files x86, Advantage Software, Eclipse, and here you should have an installers folder. If you didn't install Eclipse to the default location, you should be able to find these installers wherever you did install it. First, run the Connection Magic version 4 installer. Then run the Connectify setup. Once both of these programs have been installed, restart your computer and you'll be ready to start hosting local sessions right away. I'm going to go to my user settings, to the real-time tab, and I'm going to add a Connection Magic output format for Bridge Mobile. And I'm going to start a real-time session. In the session settings window, I'm going to select to host the session locally only and not on the internet. I'm also going to create a virtual hotspot with an 8-character password. I'm going to give my session name a password, and if I want to, I can set up require IDs and specific valid IDs if desired. I'm going to make sure publicly visible is checked and press OK. If prompted, hit the Allow button to allow Connection Magic to do its thing. Within Connection Magic, you see that my session is listed, as well as my current username, which right now is Steno. I also have the IP address readily available that I can copy, and there's a log button that I can use if I need to export a log for tech support. Additionally, I chose to copy the invitation to my clipboard. That means that the local connection link has been copied to my clipboard, and I can provide this to people with me if I have some way to do so. However, I can use this link to check and see if the session is working. I'm going to copy the link, and let's put it into Edge and see what happens. And I was taken right into my job. As soon as I begin writing on my Steno machine, everything that I write into my document is going to come up live in Bridge. As I continue to write, everything that I write in Eclipse appears immediately in Bridge. And since I had Apply Edits turned on, I can make any changes that I need to. And they're immediately reflected inside of Bridge. And so everything works exactly the same way that it did within Eclipse 10. When you start your job, you still have the option to start a LAN session and to host your own Wi-Fi. The only thing that's changed is that you'll need to install Connection Magic Local and Connectify before you get started. However, unlike old versions of Eclipse, you don't need to have Connection Magic Local running before you start Eclipse. Eclipse can see Connection Magic Local even after it's already open. And that's why Eclipse is able to start and use Connection Magic Local by itself whenever you request it. If you've been a longtime user of Eclipse, then you'll be familiar with older versions of Connection Magic Local. The basic performance is the same. However, it's undergone a facelift and has a few extra goodies in store, such as actively logging who's in each session within Connection Magic itself. So if you're updating from version 10, don't fret. You can still use exactly the same steps to start your jobs. Just make sure that you've installed Connectify and Connection Magic. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.